Wow, I'm flying! Wow! Joke lang. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat mga kaibigan ko. Ako po si Dwaine Woolley at nandito ako ngayon sa flying school ko sa Flight Training Adelaide. Flying school ko dito sa Australia. Namimiss ko ang lugar na to. Dati akong piloto pero nag-stop muna ako para mag-artista. At ngayon, lilipad na naman ako ng airplane.
FTA is a pilot school where student pilots can actually live on campus. I lived here for a while I studied my private pilot license.
That's what I love about Adelaide. It's 8:30 p.m. and it's still light. Gabi na, pero parang hapon pa. Ano ba yan?
The school also comes with a cafeteria, and the food here is freaking awesome.
Madali lang ang buhay dito sa Australia. Alam mo kung bakit? Hindi kami kailangan maglaba. Dito naglalaba ang mga piloto. Itong ginagamit nila. O, diba? Ang galing.
Today will be the first time I fly a plane in over a year.
So yung airplano na gagamitin namin ngayon ay Yankee Tango Quebec. So hanapin ko yan. Ayun. Ito na siya. Ito yung Yankee Tango Quebec. Oh, basahin nyo. Before we fly, there's a few things we need to check first. Para hindi tayo mabagsak pag nandun na tayo sa langit. Unang-una, buksan natin siya.
Before you fly a plane, you want to make sure that everything is working. So first of all, we turn on the main switch, the strobe light, the nav light, the taxi light, and the landing light.
Now we just need to make sure all the lights are working. Tapos i-check mo natin kung gumagana ang flaps ng airplane. Ayan, gumagana sila.
Then we turn off the lights so we don't drain the battery.
Ngayon naman, ang mga controls, yung ailerons, tsaka yung stabilizer. Check natin. Grabe, nakakamiss talaga to. Ipaliwanag ko sa inyo kung anong ibig sabihin ng mga nandito sa harap ko.
Carby heat, throttle, pitch, mixture, trim wheel, fuel tanks. Here's our rudder pedals. Ay, ano ba to ulit?
Tingnan natin kung naalala ko pa.
Okay, so that's our airspeed indicator, tells us how fast we're going. That's the artificial horizon, tells us what angle we're turning at. That's the altitude indicator, tells us how high we are. I don't know what that is. The nav aids, that's the nav aids. That is our vertical speed indicator, tells us how fast we're ascending or descending. That is our compass, we can set a heading on that. And that is the balance. Temperature and pressure gauges, we got our radios here. This thing, ano ba yan? Nakalimutan ko na eh. Anyway, this thing tells us if another plane is close by.
Kailangan po natin kukunin yung 80s. Pakinggan natin.
Visibility greater than 10 kilometers. Cloud Q 2500. Temperature 18. QNH 1013. First contact with ground or tower.
1013.
Charlie.
Charlie is the code.
Clarify terminal information.
kailangan din po natin siguraduhin na hindi contaminated yung fuel natin. Sumunpalat kasi pag nasa langit na tayo tapos contaminated pala yung fuel natin. Patay tayo dyan. Ayun. Avgas talaga siya. Now we gotta untie the plane so that we can actually move. Or else we ain't going nowhere. Ito ang pitot tube cover. We've got to remove the static vent plugs on both sides. Just like a car engine, we've got to check the oil. This thing. See how much oil we got. We need at least 6 quarts of oil, or else we shouldn't be flying. Yep, that's beautiful. Kadalasan, umuupo lang ako dito sa cockpit at nagpa-practice ako. Oh yeah, we're at 200 feet, hit the brakes, flaps up, alright. Maintain that attitude. Making a left turn, look right, look left. All clear, boom. Climbing turn, make sure you're at 30 degrees. Alright, now we're at 750 feet. Oh yep, let's turn on the downwind. Alright, now we've got to make a radio call, which would be Airfield Tower, Yankee Tango Quebec, downwind for touch and go.
Yankee Tango Quebec, you are cleared for landing.
Yankee Tango Quebec, I said touch and go. Inaantay ko pang instructor ko. Maglilipad na kami ngayon. Grabe, nakakatakot. Parang may bagyo. Ala.
Who are those two up? This is great instructors there. Beautiful plane in the way. That was actually pretty good, eh?